I love power tools, but there's nothing wrong with having a good set of hand saws in your shop. Today I'm going to talk about the different types of hand saws, starting with our Western saws, our back saws, and our Japanese pull saws. First, the rip saw, which ranges between 24 and 26 inches in length, and it has about 6 teeth per inch. Then we have the cross-cutting saw, which is of course used to cut wood across the grain, and that ranges between 6 and 8 teeth per inch, and they could be as long as 26 inches also, and as short as 24 inches. Moving on to our back saws. Our back saws are distinguishable by their brass steel and their spines that help keep your cut straight and in line. They're mainly used for cutting dovetails and cutting tenons. They also come in an offset style, which can be used for left-handed or right-handed workers. The Japanese pull saws, which cut on the pull, hence the name, come in a variety of formats. The Ryoba saw, which is great because it has cross-cutting teeth on one side and rib-cutting teeth on the other. And then we have the Dozuki saw, which is flexible and it's perfect for flush trimming dowels. Whatever saw you decide to use in your shop, just know that each saw has a specific and designed purpose to help you complete a project even without using any power tools.